Hi, in this section we will look at utility operators. We have already been looking at utility operators in past. In our other examples where we coded, we have also used subscribe on and observe on, which are utility operators basically. So we'll look at some other useful utility operator. So let's start with delay operator. Delay operator, as the name suggests, will delay the publishing of the stream for certain time period. So if we go back to code, here we have written that we need to delay for 2 seconds and we are getting the observable of positive numbers of 10. So if you run this particular example, what you will notice that once onSubscribe is being called, so once actually onSubscribe is called, you are seeing the delay of 2 seconds. So you have seen here that onSubscribe was called on 20th, but the delay actually, there was a delay of 2 seconds once it starts publishing the 10 positive integers. This shows that you can actually delay certain streams for some other work if you want. So actually you can delay using a delay operator. Similarly, like delay operator, we have do operators. Do operators are useful set of utility operators when you want to do some work on the incoming events. We have seen one of it in our previous example. Let's revisit do operator to understand what you can actually do with these operators. Here, what we are actually seeing is a program where I have configured multiple do operators. So at first we are taking 10 different shapes and do on subscribe is telling stream is subscribed. It also has a disposable as a parameter which you can use if you require, but basically it will be called once the thing is getting subscribed. Then do on each when each elements are being passed. So actually you can transform the events, but what you get that you get a shape notification because we have actually subscribed the stream of shapes. So if you would have here integers, then it would have been an integer notification. So here one thing to notice is that you are getting an object of notification. So currently we are getting shape notifications and we are printing the value from it. So we'll get the shape itself. Then on next, before it just tells you what the shape itself is. So with whenever the next is being published, with each next this will be called, and here you are not getting the notification object but the object itself. And on complete, as the name itself suggests, it will be called when the event has been completed. So if we run this particular demo, we will see so many outputs coming, and let's run it and analyze those outputs. So if we see at this particular output, the first thing is the stream is subscribed. This is coming from our delay operator class. Then the demo observer, we already had written on subscribe, so that one is being written here. Then after that, for each of it, the current value of shape is being written, which is coming because we have written here current value with each do on each. Similarly, you can actually see other results being coming there. So after that, what we are seeing here, we will be seeing that after each current value, we can see that shape is been printed, which because we have written this. We have written shape is this particular shape. So this one is coming from do on next. And since on each next we have a demo subscriber also, so from demo subscriber you will be getting the value again for this, which is on next of it. So every time when we are calling do on next, this is being published here, then on next is being published. actually you can transform the object also a bit here, I believe. And here with on next you will get the exact value which is being emitted by the observable. Okay, so if you see this, this will be the pattern which will be followed, and at the end, because we have written do on complete, so that should be there. So at last I believe it is also writing completed. Okay, so here it is, the completed one. So this shows you that there is a completed one coming from this on complete. You can also notice current value as null, because while it was being completed there was no events for it. This shows you utility operator, which is do operators. Do operators are handy when you want to do something before it actually goes to the subscriber, and also when you actually complete the event, or basically when to subscribe the event.